today's video we're going to be changing the oil, the engine oil on the Ford. First thing to do is to let her warm up for 5 minutes, get the engine oil warm, because when it's warm it's going to flow out easier for obvious reasons, and maybe take any sludge or anything that might be in there out with it. Alrighty, so first things first, jack her up. Now, I have tried around a bit to try and change the oil with the deck on, and look, it's just faster to pop it off. I mean, there it is, and it took me 2 minutes to pop it off, and it's just easier than trying to find some little thing that'll fit in there and be cramped for space and all the rest of it. So now we're ready to get started. Alrighty, so if anybody ever wonders where the oil drain plug on your tractor is, if it's similar to this, I think it's the same spot on the 145s as well. So it's on the left side of the lower crankcase facing forward. It's the left side, and here we are, we're looking out forwards, and it's right there. That's it. Ford is all oiled up, and now it's time to clean up the mess. Anyway, so here comes this mess, and I'm going to show you how I clean it up. First things first is, you know what, just go in here like this, try and sweep most of it into your rag like that. All the excess, wipe it off, and then hey guys, so yesterday evening, late afternoon, after work, after out mowing, we changed the engine oil on this, and today we are going to be changing, and I'm going to show you how to clean out an inline filter. I'll explain more about the filter and why it's inline and not screw on this model later in the video. But our hydrostatic oil, or hydrostatic reservoir, has a fill point at the top, and then this point here, you let it go and oil should be dribbling out of it. When the reservoir is full, it should be just dribbling out of this hole. That's when it's full. And then there's a drain point on the bottom. So we are not only low on hydrostatic fluid, but it's really dirty, and I don't know if it's ever been changed, surprisingly. So we're going to do that change today. Alright, so now on the bottom of this plug, as you've seen, that oil just really poured out of there. And as you see here on this cap, there's a bunch of sludge on the top. Okay, so we finished draining the oil, and now the filter. Now this is a inline filter you're seeing here. On this 1977 to 1983 model, it was a spin-on. So this was either in the tractor was either built in the transition period, or someone after modified it and put the inline back on. The spin-on, you can just buy a new filter locally, but the inline is 90 bucks now to get a new one. So I'm going to show you how to clean it, and it's pretty cramped in here, especially with the deck on. I don't know why I put the deck back on after I finished the oil, but or the engine oil. But whatever it's on, I'm gonna try to deal with it. And hopefully you'll be able to see what we're doing. But it is pretty cramped quarters. I'm gonna go grab some Teflon tape. We're gonna wrap this, and we'll throw it back on there. Now for fluid, you can use automatic transmission fluid, 20W motor oil, you can use hydraulic fluid. I'm just going to use this automatic transmission fluid here, and you know, it works. There is a specified fluid in the manual, gives you the part number and everything. You can get that at your local New Holland dealer if you wish. It says this whole crankcase takes about 4 quarts or 3.8 liters. So we have 4 liters. So we have enough here. Just kind of get this in where I want it and start pouring. Anyway guys, that's your little video for the day. This is a complete guide on how to do that, especially that filter trick. I learned that on mytractorforum.com, so that's a really cool site, and I learned that there, so I thought I'd share it with you. But this is just a little kind of vlog type, doing my oil change, keeping this thing running at top. So don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment.